so excited with this new GoPro 9 that just came out. Now, with this whole new GoPro 9, man, this thing is going to be a game changer. A couple things I like about this GoPro 9. It's great for vlogging, and now you have a front camera. That's right, a front camera, believe it or not. So it's nice to see exactly, you know, yourself, where you can frame yourself in the screen. Also, what I like about this new GoPro 9 is that it does have a linear balance, and that's the setting right now. And that's also going to be a game changer with the Hyper Boost Smooth. So that way, you no longer need a gimbal. That's right. So hopefully the video tours are going to be a lot better, a lot smoother. Now, the GoPro 9 is a little bit bulkier than the GoPro 8. Now, I wanted the media mod, but the media mod was not available at this time. So I did pre-order it, so I'm still waiting for it to come on out. However, let me know if the media mod on the GoPro 8 here, does it sound better than the GoPro 9 that doesn't have a media mod? So we're gonna go out, we're gonna take a test run, we're gonna see exactly if this GoPro was really worth the money.
Let's take a look at this, babe.
trippy, right? Hey, let me know what your thoughts are about this new GoPro 9. Let me know if you like the stabilization. Also, if you guys are interested in this camera, I'm gonna have a link in the description below. Other than that, till next time, peace.